So the questions I was talking about is there is a case question called uh, Anne, Basil, and Chloe. Anne, Basil, and Chloe. And also there is another case question called Rosie and Sam. Please do these questions to see to properly ensure that you know what is the meaning of AA tax charge and all that. Okay. Then there is another aspect which I would like to mention to you. Now, there is something like, how do you get these benefits from pension? So once you reach the age of 55, okay, once you reach the age 55, you can start benefiting from your pension fund, like from your salary or from you're keeping on contributing to the pension fund. So it keeps growing, growing, growing. By the age of 55, when you reach 55, you can start withdrawing the fund. All right, you can start withdrawing from the fund. Okay. When they reach the minimum age is 55. So from your pension fund, okay, from your pension fund, 25%, if you're taking 25% of pension fund, that is tax-free, it's a tax-free lump sum. The remaining 75%, do you know what you would do? You would actually store it, you would store it, and every year, little by little, you will keep getting. So as and when you keep getting, that will be considered as pension income, non-savings income. Okay, like let's say you're taking an amount of 25%, you got it tax free. The remaining amount it will be in your bank, and every year you will opt for getting some amount, yes, as your pension. Every year is a particular amount, every month a particular amount. So whatever amount you get there as pension is your pension income, which is a non-savings income. Okay, now there is a lifetime allowance of 1,73,100. Okay, 1,73,100. That is, if your pension fund total is up to 1,73,100, then all these rules are applicable. But if at all your pension fund is greater than this, a tax charge comes up. A tax charge of 55% comes up. Okay, 55% comes up. There's a tax charge of 55% as well as 25%. If you're taking the entire excess at one go, then the excess into 55% is the tax charge. But if you're not taking the excess at one go, but little by little every year getting as pension income, that means 25% of it is your tax charge. To read more about this, go to your BPP workbook, page 103 and 104. Could come up as MCQ. So like I said, please do those two case questions, and Basil and Chloe, and Rosie and Sam. So that's all with regards to pension income. Be very thorough with the aspect of annual allowance tax charge, because many questions revolve around this area. Also try to understand the relevant earnings, what all are the earnings included in relevant earnings. Sometimes it can also come as CR questions which have come up in the past exam. You can go through and see how the CR questions have come up.